The next question here in this series is basic data types. Here in this question, they have introduced us to a data types concept. At first, they have told us that how many bits are required for a specific data type. So for example, for int, we require 32 bits. For long, we require 64. For character or for float, we require 32 bit, and so on. And further, they have told us that we have to take input of these numbers. The first number will be in the form of integer. The second number will be in the form of long. Third character, it is in the form of character. The second number will be in the form of float, and also the last one will be in the form of double. So these are all data types used in C++. So this is the format in which we are going to print them. So at first what we have to do, we have to declare the variables. So the first variable should be int, so we'll declare it int. And also we want long, character we want, and float, and at last double. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to take their input one by one. As you can see, at first it is integer, so we have to take input in the form of a at first. So we'll write C in, and at first we'll take a, and then it's b, which is this long, and then we have to take input of character, float, and at last double. And now what we have to do, we just have to print them on next line. For that we'll require a /n operator. I'll show you what we have to do. So we just have to write cout, and then we want to get output of a, and now we are going to put /n here in this case. So we'll require that two quotes, and inside that we'll pass /n. So this will help us to get the another input on second line. And similarly we have to print other variables also. And we'll check the output and we'll run it first. So yes, it is working. We'll check it for other test cases also. So there is error here in this case. So what we'll do, we just copy the input and we check it in custom output. Paste it over here and run. The error here in this case is because of precision. So we have to use set precision here in this case. There is difference in the decimal part of the output. As you have seen this fourth and fifth output, we have some different, or as you can see, we have more decimal numbers here in this case. So what we have to do, we have to set precision tool for only this fourth and fifth, that is for F and D. Okay, so we'll first remove F and D from here. And now we are going to use precision tool. So for that we have to write first fixed and down set precision, and inside that we have to pass 3 here in this case. For this is for float, and now we are going to print that value, and now we are going to use /n. Okay, so and also similarly we have to do it for double. So I'll just copy it and I'll place it over here, and I'll pass D instead of F, and I'll pass parameter to precision 9. And for using this set precision, we have to change our header file. I'll make some changes in it. And we have to use this bits/std++.h. And now our code will work. Yes, now it is working. So solution for all other questions included in this series are available on my channel. And if you have any query, let me know it in comment section given below. And also thank you guys for watching this video.